Multiplying or expanding algebraic brackets. Expand and simplify. Expand really just means multiply out, but the word is often used when we have algebra. So we've got some algebra in here. We don't know the exact value of this number. X minus 5 squared means x minus 5 multiplied by itself times x minus 5. We have two things multiplied together, and therefore we have a rectangle. Let's draw ourselves a rectangle. One side of the rectangle is x minus 5, and the other side of the rectangle is also x minus 5. In order to do this multiplication, we need to divide our rectangle up so that we can actually work out it in several parts. Here is our rectangle, and we're going to work it out in 4 parts, and then the areas of these 4 parts are going to be combined or added together to find our total area. In this box, we're going to do x times x. X times x is x squared. In this part, we're going to do negative 5 times x. Negative 5 times x is written as negative 5x. In this box, we're going to do negative 5 times x, which is negative 5x. We don't need to write the times sign when we're multiplying. In the final box, we've got negative 5 times negative 5, and a negative times a negative makes a positive. So that's positive 25. Now we can add up together all the parts of the rectangle. So we've made an x squared minus 5x minus another 5x plus 25. The last thing we need to do is to see whether we can simplify our answer. We have a minus 5x and a minus 5x. If we take off 5 and we take off another 5, then we've taken off 10x. Our final simplified answer can be written as x squared minus 10x plus 25. This type of expression that we come up with, which has got an x squared term in it, is called a quadratic expression. Whoops, we lost part of it there. That should be a 10x. X squared minus 10x plus 25 is a quadratic expression. This particular type of quadratic expression is a perfect square. And it's called a perfect square because we look back to the original expression and it actually was something squared. In other words, it had the same bracket multiplied by itself.